My dear brothers and sisters, today we're going to be making a chocolate avocado smoothie. And basically it is a living food, so very, very necessary in times such as these, so necessary to become as vital and as organic as we possibly can to cope with these times. So we're going to start with an almond milk base. Now you can buy almond milk in a natural food store. The problem with that is you don't know how long it's been sitting on that shelf, possibly since the dawn of the Cenozoic, contemporary with the dinosaurs, who knows? Or you can make it in the privacy of your kitchen. The problem with that is it's too easy. We'll start with a cup of spring water, and the water that we use here is Mountain Valley water. It's been since 1871. It's simply the best there is. So there we have it, a cup of spring water. And to that we add a heaping tablespoon of our Living Tree Alive Organic Almond Butter. How magnificent the texture. It's made from almonds grown by the Kortoff family, California family farmers of 5 generations on the land. So that's it. I wish it was more difficult. We go ahead and press so it's a cup of spring water, a tablespoon of almond milk, and there you have it. As you see, it's flashed into a beautiful white milk. And you can use this in so many, many ways. You can use this as a base for alive soups. You could use this as a base for all sorts of puddings and wondrous living salad dressings. Even for alive cakes and for alive pies, it lends itself so many uses, and it's so much better for you these days than the dairy milk that you find in stores. So almond milk, the very, very best, the very highest. And to this we're going to be adding a ripe avocado. So here we go. Okay. And the next thing we're going to be doing is adding a couple tablespoons of our cacao powder. Two tablespoons of cacao powder. And then we're going to be adding a tablespoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds are so wonderful, especially if you're into physical endurance. and sustainability, especially for all sorts of things such as long distance running. The Native Americans, when they were crossing the desert, they didn't walk, they ran, and they sustained themselves with a bit of water and a handful of chia seeds, and that's all they needed to run the longest distances in intense heat. So we have our cacao butter, our cacao powder, our chia seeds, and let's add a bit of this is our living tree vanilla powder. Let's add a little bit of vanilla powder just for wonderment. And then we're going to do our living tree Hawaiian honey. It's alive, organic, of course. It comes from Hawaii, where it's springtime every single day there, if you can imagine. So, how magnificent. What a golden color. And last, we're going to be adding a bit of maple syrup to taste. This is from the Vermont woods. It deepens and heightens the flavor and makes it so exotic. And that's it, my dear friends. We're going to now give it a blend. And we're delighted to say that we have our taste panel with us. We have our interns who are spending the summer with us. They're from a program from UC Berkeley, and they're here to learn about the organic food industry. So first, we're going to ask Carolina, is that how you pronounce your name? Yeah. Okay, and we're going to give you some of our avocado smoothie. You will admit it's something you will not find in Spain. And here you go.
Thank you.
Good. Would you like to give that a taste?
Yeah, okay. Should I go there?
Yeah. Here, please.
It's really nice with the avocado taste.
With the avocado taste.
It's kind of creamy because
Good.
of that.
You enjoy it. I'm so pleased. And then our next intern, Alvaro. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly.
Yeah, sure.
And here you go. Look at that. Look at that color. Look at that texture. We will admit it's out of the ordinary.
Oh, I'm so delighted to try this. Oh. Amazing. I love the honey.
You love the honey.
I love
okay.
The honey.
And now, our wonderful intern and Antonio. Here we go, and oh yeah. You enjoy it. It makes your day, maybe, perhaps, or it's something you will admit you will not find in Spain.
It's fantastic. Yeah.
It's fantastic. You enjoy it.
After hours of working, it's really very necessary, to be honest.
Well, good.
Thank you.
Good. I'm so very, very pleased. Well, good. Well, if our Spanish friends enjoy it, that makes my day, because in Spain, which is a civilized country, food is very, very important indeed. Cuisine, the highest cuisine, is something that's a big factor in your lives. So if you enjoy it, I am pleased indeed. So, my dear friends, let us go forward in these times. In these times, we have to remember the fundamentals as we swerve or lurch from crisis to crisis. We have to keep our grounding with alive organic food, with vigorous exercise, with intermittent fasting, and with victory gardens. We will get there. We will get there to the new birth of freedom. I know that for sure because Abraham Lincoln prophesied it. So let us go forward. Thank you very much. A privilege to share with you.